I want to provide you with the roadmap to financial success. This channel caters to various age groups. I will guide you through each stage so you can identify where you currently stand and start planning for your financial success. Remember, do not get frustrated if you are late or you are early in this journey. It does not matter where you are as long as you are aware of where you stand in your financial journey. You can start from exactly where you are. Personal finance is personal and it's very personal to you. Hello there, everyone. Today, let's take a moment for some self-reflections. Can you believe that it's just about a little over a month left in 2023? How are you doing with your financial plan for the year? Did you prioritize paying yourself first by maximizing your retirement contributions, be it through your 401k or IRA? And let's not forget about HSA. Have you taken full advantage of it? Also, did you venture into the world of cash flow properties this year? It's check-in time and I have got something special lined up for you. Stick around until the end because I will be sharing insight about where your net worth is at in the US and how you can 5x those numbers by implementing a few key strategies based on the number of years that you are planning to work. Exciting, right? If you are a newcomer, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. I'm Korianne. Let's get to all the great stuff now. Where are you in 2023? So, where do you stand in your financial journey this year? It's a question worth pondering. Today, I'm diving into the personal saving data based on age groups. Why? So you can get a clear picture of where you are at and most importantly, check in with yourself. First, assessing the data. According to the Trading Economics, the personal savings rate as of September 2023 is 3.4%. But what does this percentage mean in practical terms? Let's break it down. If your annual income is $100,000, this implies that you can save only 3.4% of it, which amount about $3,400. Now imagine you are in your early 30s with the financial goal of reaching a net worth of at least $1 million by the time you're 60. Surpassing the current median net worth, let's say you invest $3,400 annually with the compound rate of return as 10%. When you hit 60, your total account will have grown to almost $620,000. This insight into your financial goal allows you leveraging data effectively to achieve that $1 million milestone by the age of 60, so you will be financially independent. You will need to adjust your saving amount to $6,000 per year or $500 per month. Understanding this number empowers you to make informed decisions. Whether it's tweaking your savings rate or finding ways to boost your income, it's all about using the data to guide you toward your financial aspirations. Here is another piece of data you may find useful. The current median net worth by age in the US in 2023, I'd like to use the median net worth data more than the average. Here are the reasons why. In terms of planning for financial future, the median income is often considered more accurate. The median is less affected by the extreme values or outlier, providing the more representative middle point in the income distributions. It offers a better reflection of the typical income within a group and is particularly useful when dealing with a school or uneven income distributions. Now, let's break it down the data so you know where you are based on your age and how you can plan for your financial futures. From your 20s to your 50s and beyond, we will navigate the financial terrains, pointing out crucial milestones for each age group. Plus, I will share my own personal journey through these stages. And just in case you are wondering, yes, I know I look like I'm in my 50s, right? I'm almost there. Our oldest son just turned 20 years old last month, Crazy how time flies by so fast. I want to provide you with the roadmap to financial success. This channel caters to various age groups. I will guide you through each stage so you can identify where you currently stand and start planning for your financial success. Remember, do not get frustrated if you are late or you are early in this journey. It does not matter where you are as long as you are aware of where you stand in your financial journey. You can start from exactly where you are. Personal finance is personal and it's very personal to you. So in your 20s, building a strong foundations. It's all about laying those financial foundations. We will explore what it means and how it sets the stage for a thriving financial future. Establish a budget. Create a realistic budget to track your income, expenses, and savings. Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund equivalent to at least 6 to 9 months worth of living expenses. Start saving. Begin saving for your short-term goals such as travel or education and long-term goals like retirement plan. Avoid debts. Minimize unnecessary debts and focus on responsible credit use. Invest wisely. Start exploring investment options such as retirement accounts and low-cost index funds to benefit from compounding over time. Financial education. Invest time in learning about personal finance, investments, and budgeting to make informed decisions. Build credit. Establish and maintain a good credit history by paying bills on time and managing credits responsibly. Insurance. Consider health and renter's insurance to protect against unexpected expenses. Career development. Invest in skills and educations that enhance career prospects, leading to higher earning potential. Network. Build professional connections and relationships that can open doors for career advancements and financial opportunities. Both of our sons started building their financial foundations. They both worked during the summer since they was 14 years old, so they both already have their Roth IRA accounts. They also have taxable investment accounts since they was 10 years old when they got a small weekly allowance. Both understand the power of earning compound interest over the long period of many years. I will show you the numbers and hope to motivate you to investigate these accounts later in this video. So in your 30s, growing and investing your money. The focus shifts to growth and investment. What should you be doing to ensure your money is working for you? Let's find out. This is a critical period to capitalize on your earning potential and lay the groundwork for the long-term financial success. It involves strategically increasing your savings, exploring diversified investment options such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, and considering retirement accounts. Building the robust investment portfolio during this decades allow your money to grow through the power of compounding, setting the stage for greater financial stability in the future. Do you max out the amount limits for your 401k or IRA account each year? Did you take on the benefits of your company matching? How about a Roth IRA account and HSA account? Talk to your tax accountant to check if your income level will qualify for this account. As you know, HSA stands for Health Saving Account, and it is means for us to put away pre-tax money to spend on qualified medical related expenses. Both Roth IRA is to put post-tax money away for retirement. Both of these accounts, HSA and Roth IRA, earn tax-free growth in the future. Both of my sons have been putting their summer earned income into Roth IRA account, and they understand the power of earning compound interest over the 35 years period by consistently investing $6,000 per year until they reach 59 years and a half, and they will have $1.79 million. Take the time to educate yourself on each chosen asset class you foster your financial growth. Keep in mind that nobody is as invested in your money's growth as you are, so dedicate yourself to learning and investing. Personally, I make commitment to learn both the equity market and real estate investments before venture my money into these assets. Additionally, I dive into the realm of private money lenders, a skill I acquired during my time in the mortgage industry. This experience gave me the insight into the banking access, borrows risk, and evaluate the equity in each real estate project for the mortgage qualifications. Consider this. If you increase your saving to $15,000 annually and invest in the index fund with a 10% rate of return at the age of 30, by the time you reach 60 years old, your total could around up to $2.7 million. Your net worth is 5.6 times higher than the people in their 60s in 2023. I started to invest in the equity market as well as real estate investment in my late 20s and earned some of my accounts have surpassed 2.7 million, starting from consistent 30 to 40% saving of our yearly income to invest and grow it. You can watch this video of how I gained almost 3 million from a few residential projects. I put it in the show note so you can watch it later. So in your 40s, balancing account is a period marked by a financial balancing account where you juggle various aspects to secure a stable and prosperous future. Managing investment becomes increasingly crucial during this phase. It's a time to carefully assess your portfolio, considering risk tolerance, diversifications, and long-term goals. Exploring real estate and also take precedence as property investments can provide both stability and potential appreciation over time. Additionally, maintaining a robust emergency fund becomes pivotal in your 40s. Life is unpredictable, and having financial safety nets ensure you are prepared for the unexpected expenses or setbacks. This emergency fund serve as a buffer, allow you to navigate challenging without jeopardizing your long-term financial objectives. In essence, your 40s become crucial junction for fine-tune your financial strategy, focusing on prudent investment management, real estate explorations, and fortifying your financial foundation with a reliable emergency fund. Over the past 10 years, I have made strategic shift my investment with focus on income and wealth preservation. One key move was consolidate our real estate asset to generate consistent cash flow income instead of solely pursuing growth. Selling off some of my projects allowed me to accumulate funds, enabled to pay off other small loans on existing properties, and transforming them into reliable cash flow sources. To optimize returns and defer 50% gains, I strategically invested in commercial projects, utilizing depreciation to reduce yearly cash flow income. Additionally, I ventured into the newly built hotel as well as residential properties within an opportunity zone, apartments, and medical offices, capitalizing on the potential benefits this designated area has to offer. For those who are familiar with the tax strategies, I have explored avenues like cost segregations, study for accelerate tax depreciations on investment properties, and leverage opportunity zone tax incentives. I encourage you to engage in discussion with your real estate CPA to grasp the full spectrums of these tax benefits and how they can enhance your investment portfolios in your 50s and beyond, near your retirement. For your experienced viewer in their 50s and beyond, let's dive into the crucial stage leading up to retirement. It's a time to reassessing risk, refining investments, and crafting a robust retirement plan. Firstly, reassessing risk involves taking a close look at how you manage your finances. Are your investments aligned with your risk tolerance? Think of it like adjusting the sails on the ship to navigate the financial water smoothly. Next, fine-tune investment, asking to optimizing your overall financial strategies. Consider revisiting where your money is invested and to ensure it's aligned with your retirement goals and maximize returns. Lastly, securing a rock-solid retirement plan is about establishing a strong foundation for your future. It entails to ensure that all aspects, including saving, investment, and potential pensions and social security benefits, work seamlessly together to provide a comfortable and secure retirement. Click on the link in the show note, valuable insight. If you have already amassed a 1 million for retirement, congratulations! You are on the top 10% of future retirees. If not, let's continue this journey to financial growth together. Take the moment to reflect on your current positions and, more importantly, where you aspire to be by your 60. Now is the time to take action because you now have the know-how. If you find this value in this video, don't forget to click the like, to subscribe to more financial wisdom, and share this video with your family, friends, and children. Share with us in the comment below what financial tool you use to invest your money in 2023. Is it the stock market or alternative assets like cash flow real estate assets or private equity investments? Until next time, let's hear for your successful investing. Let's learn, invest, and make a lasting impact. Ciao. Goodness.